Hi, my name is Tandy Vaughn of Tandy Tech LLC. Let's explore my amazing system for preparing your students for success. Introduce 2 words each day. Continue until your child is ready to move on to the following week. At the end of each week, assess your student. Check each word that is read correctly, tally the total words read correctly, and review the incorrect words for the following week. Throughout each week, introduce the sentences. Allow the students to identify the words to practice fluency. Each day, post the 2 new sight words onto a wall. Allow your child or student to identify the beginning and ending sounds of the words and also identify the letters in the words. Let's take a look at my daughter in action.
Yes. Great job. Forgot that one? Fine.
Fine. 4.
Yay! Show me find again. Where's fine?
Fine is right here.
Yay! Great job! Yes.
Yay.